None. Justice Priscilla Chigumba, chairperson of the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, was involved in a significant road accident on the Harare-Chirundu Highway. Her vehicle, a luxurious gold Toyota Land Cruiser, collided with a haulage truck, resulting in severe damage. Despite the wreckage, Justice Chigumba has escaped unharmed. The incident has sparked mixed reactions online, some expressing relief for her safety, others criticizing the conditions of the Harare-Chirundu road. This major highway is currently undergoing a $550 million rehabilitation project, yet it continues to be a site of numerous accidents. Once again, road safety concerns in Zimbabwe come to the forefront, with citizens labeling the Harare-Chirundu road a death trap. As of now, there have been no official statements regarding the accident or Justice Chigumba's condition. Stay tuned for more updates as we follow this developing story. Thank you for watching. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more news.